Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to buy or sell crypto to Skrill. Let's begin. So what is Skrill? For those who doesn't know that, it's actually a virtual wallet for money transfers and online payments. And actually they are being used from betting and trading to even shopping and gaming. So it makes your life, managing your money simple. So here in my Binance app, just need to make sure that you're successfully logged in, and you just need to go to P2P trading. So let's tap that, and then it's come from here. So guys, please take note that, I'm actually on USD currency. So for me to showcase in this tutorial how to make transactions through Skrill. So if you can see at the upper part of the page, there's actually payment method in here. So just tap that. And here you can see all the list of all banks and all other, financial institutions that you can transact with. So I'm just going to be looking for the name Skrill. So there you go. So Skrill or Money Bookers, and then let's confirm. So when you click on that, it would give you buyers or sellers of crypto wherein they could, do transaction through Skrill. So say for instance, I would want to buy on Bitcoin, and then I'm going to be looking for the best, seller of Bitcoin. So say for instance, I will choose Anastasia, and yeah, price has been updated. Sometimes, does that. So say I want to buy $300 or 300 worth of Bitcoin, and then once I hit that, on the next page, it would give you, information that you need to fill in to put in the details for you to complete your transaction through Skill. So it's pretty easy, just similar, transactions that you do for other crypto rather, for your bank account or for your e-wallet. But in this case, we're just using Skrill. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.